Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to increase and decrease voltage in this type of generators. It's unlike what we did in the capacitor type. In this very type of generators, voltage regulation is done automatically by the AVR. Now, a faulty AVR cannot perform what we are going to do in this video. We've done a previous video on AVR issues, how to find out if the automatic voltage regulation function of an AVR is still active. If you have not watched that video, I will leave a link to it in the description of this video. I will probably leave a link to how to regulate voltage in capacitor type generators in the description of this video as well. Let's do this, guys.